crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights.
What's kicking, shark mates? Cute. Cute. Vinyl Vixen and Slim Sheddy here at Wrapsesh.
What's up, guys?
We are revealing a super awesome custom car wrap that we are just about to finish up.
Super creepy.
I mean, it's so cute. It's just so creepy.
Not cute.
It's cute.
It's pretty.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah, but what she thinks is cute. I mean, she thinks spiders are cute and snakes are cute. Pretty much anything that's evil and terrifying is cute.
Yeah.
Like.
So, yeah. Okay. Anyways, you guys can see behind us we have the Powered by Nightmares, Freddy Krueger, Mopar, Hellcat, Wrap.
Mr. Freddy himself. He's got reflective eyes. He's looking back at you.
His claws.
Yeah.
Those are reflective.
Oh yeah.
Adds this really cool kind of 3D effect, and this is what's gonna glow at night, is the claws, the eyes, and the scratches back here. We have some of the scratching. How does that go again?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are in the final stages. We're putting the car back together right now. We did underhood, we did the fender flares, we did a really awesome Avery metallic base print on our Muto 1682 SR eco-solvent printer, I think.
Yeah.
And
we printed on a metallic base.
Yeah.
You said that?
I said that.
She said
like
that.
2 sentences ago.
My bad.
Really amazing design from Curvaceous Wraps. She completely created this from scratch, so hand drew this whole Freddy design.
Yeah, this is quite detailed. Like, he looks like
he almost looks like good. That's what I'm saying. It's like, okay, so we just watched the original Nightmare on Elm Street, and it was like probably my first time actually watching the whole movie through.
We had to watch the movie since we're doing the car.
That guy's scary.
He's scary.
He's scary. This guy looks good. This great quality is so good on metallic. It's got like bronze and rusty and just really pretty colors. For being such a horrific style.
For how horrific this car is, it's actually beautiful.
Yeah, it is. So we'll show you guys some of the details. Tomorrow, Friday the 13th, we're actually going to be revealing this car in our first public vehicle wrap reveal.
Whoa.
Yeah. So we're doing it over at Level 1 Arcade Bar in Old Town Gilbert, Arizona. It's our favorite hangout spot. We love those guys to the moon and back. Really cool old school pinball like arcade bar.
It's awesome.
So we're gonna be meeting up with the client, Kat and Terry from Tucson, Arizona, and their Mopar team. Not even Mopar, I mean it's a car club.
Yeah.
AZ Outlaws, one of our sponsored teams. And whoever else shows up, and we'll be showing this car off.
Whoever gonna be there.
So yeah, let's get down to the finishing touches.
Yeah, a couple things left.
Okay, bye.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel cold when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a
Don't.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We hope you enjoyed our Fueled by Nightmares Freddy Krueger wrap.
Nightmares.
If you guys want to go above and beyond with a custom vehicle wrap, we are getting ready to start handing out some partial sponsorships. So reach out to us by email at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. You can keep up with all of our daily fun on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well as our YouTube channel at WrapseshAZ or Vinyl Vixen Wraps. Please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week.
Later.
Okay, bye.